Well, hey guys, we're bringing you a little bit of a different format video today because Josh and I are in two different locations. As you can see, I am in a very tropical location. I'm down on the island of St. Croix, one of my favorite places to go visit. And Josh apparently is in Everything Scuba land right now.
Yeah, I'm back here at home in Iowa, enjoying the 92-degree sunshine and
Well,
wishing I was where you were.
at least the home quarry is still 40-degree water temperature below the 13-foot thermal.
Right. It's been pretty good visibility this week.
So the reason for this video is about 2 months ago, we put together a show showing you the skills that Josh right here has. He makes custom backplates. He has a small company called Bulldog Backplates, and he put together a super cool backplate with an Everything Scuba on it. We're going to give what else are we going to give with the backplate, Josh?
They're going to get a Hogarthian harness. They're going to get a crotch strap, and they're going to get dive right in scuba wing, as well as a single tank adapter and some Highland tank bands.
Cool. So a full setup to take that custom backplate underwater with, right?
Yeah, they should be able to dive it, add a reg set and a tank, and go diving.
Cool. Well, what we're going to do right now is we're not going to waste any time. I am using an app since we don't have a paper hat that Josh or I can draw out of. I've got an app you can see on the screen right now. I've got all of the divers' names listed who entered. They all qualified because they became subscribers to our channel. They liked and shared the video. They did all the things we asked them to. So the winner is Steve. Not sure how I pronounce your last name. It might be Michael, Mitchell, Michelle. Please let us know what it is.
Congratulations, Steve. We'll reach out to you through your email that's listed with YouTube and get your shipping information, and we will get this package shipped out to you. And we would love to see some pictures or a video when you get it, and especially if you go and take it diving. We'd love to see more of that.
Absolutely. That'd be awesome to see that in action underwater. So, all right, guys, that's all we had for you today. We just want to put together a quick short video, make that announcement since Josh and I are in two different parts of the world. So we will see you next time on Everything Scuba.
Thank you for following, everyone.
All right. Thanks. Let me just stop recording. Yep.